African AI governance is shifting towards localized regulation by prioritizing frameworks rooted in indigenous values, as well as human rights, over adopting a wholesale of Western policy. Policymakers are actively developing national AI strategies. One, to prevent data colonialism, and two, to ensure technology benefits local economy. Now, here are the key trends to look out when we're talking about AI governance across Africa. First on the list is what is known as the continental and national policy, one of which is the AU's Africa AI Ethics and Charter. What the charter does is it helps and guides in AI responsible deployment across all member states. There is also what is known as the Ubuntu philosophy. This focuses on scholars and policymakers who are anchoring Africans' AI ethics in the philosophy of Ubuntu instead of adopting monolithic frameworks from global north. Now, what this philosophy does is it prioritizes collective well-being, community inclusion, and mutual responsibility in algorithm decision making. There is also data sovereignty and localization. One of the major goals for this is ensuring that algorithms, particularly those used in sensitive sectors like healthcare, credit scoring, and agriculture, are trained on locally relevant data to avoid cultural biases. And the last but not the least, capacity and infrastructure building. There is a significant challenge that the continent currently accounts for a tiny portion of the global component of the AI compute. Now, governance strategies increasingly focus on boosting local infrastructure and ensuring models support local languages and socioeconomic values. I would love to learn from you if you are an advocate for ethical AI usage in your region or your organization. Share in the comments an in-depth look at the regulatory sandboxes, based approaches, and how African countries are balancing AI innovations with insights and oversight. And as always, hope to see you at the top.